Hi everyone, in this presentation we'll talk about how to install SAP in the cloud and we'll walk through the tutorial. My name is Faris, I'm in the group with Brianna, Ginny and Michael. And these are our SAP installation information. As you can see, we have the client, user and the password, and the cloud platform cockpit we use the username for one of our members, and then the password is graduation 2019, and each one of the team can log in to SAP using this username and this password. And this is the home page for our SAP cloud platform. We created a username since we did not have one, as you can see, and we also sign up for the free trial account. And this is the API packages to see the available packages in the API. And by clicking on the API, we will see all the available methods. We can test different query parameters by providing a value in the input of the specified data type for the parameter. And this is an example on one of the codes that we found in the tutorial, and it shows us how to select the first name, last name, and the job title. And also we can see the response body and the response headers. And this is the configure SAP for the end user for the customization, which is where a company customizes or adopts the system to the business requirement, process mapping SAP to our business process. Also to make changes in the defined company and business area to create functionality, and team created a new entry to create the company and entered the company information, and team created a new entries for business areas within the company.
So after configuring SAP for use, we started to create a new entry for the company and entered some company information in this slide. On the next slide, we created a request with a short description for the company, so a code is created, and that short description is displayed on this slide right here. This code below references our company, CAIK 90002-365 learn, and it's a request, and this will be used to access different information within the company in SAP. Right here you can see a list of the business areas created within our company with the business area code and the description of each business area. So for the order entries, we created one following one of the examples shown in Blackboard, and we displayed the customer master data, the customer order, and the outbound delivery documents for the order.
To access the customer order general data, we went through logistics, sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, display, and complete. The customer code 365 was given to us for this class, and when Beantown Bikes was selected as the customer for the order, the 5 was added, so the customer number is 5365 for this customer order. The company code US00 is automatically added. We can see an overview of the order. This order is given order number 1. 5 bikes are being ordered at $3,000 each, so the net value is seen in the right corner as $15,000. We can see the order date as well as the required delivery date. We can also see that it is being shipped from Miami to Beantown Bikes in Boston. To display the customer order, we went to Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Sales, Order, and Display. We entered 1 for the order number and can see the details for the order from Beantown Bikes from Boston. Then we created a delivery and went to Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Shipping and Transportation, Outbound Delivery, and Display. We entered 8000000 as the outbound delivery number as prompted by the instruction manual. This showed us the document of the sales order.
In the tab Picking, you can see that the 5 bicycles mentioned in the previous step were removed from the warehouse in Miami. We found the invoice of this previous order through clicking Logistics, then Sales and Distribution, then Billing, Billing Document, and Display. As you can see, there's a billing document that shows the cost incurred of $7,000 plus profit. This billing document thus represents a claim for payment of $15,000 for Beantown Bikes. If you select the document and press Accounting, you will be able to see the document from the accounting perspective and thus the accounts involved. Next, we displayed the document flow. We did this by clicking Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Sales, Order, and finally Display. We then inputted 1 as the order number and chose Document Flow. We then can see any document referring to the order number. For example, after choosing the invoice document, this is the screen displayed. We can see that the net value of the order is $15,000 and the cost is $7,000. By following the path, go to, then header again, we can see the details of the invoice that have been created.